Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Guidance Class. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. It's nice to be here again with you.
How are you today, Leo?
I'm good. I had a calm morning. And you?
I am fine too. My morning was busy, but nice.
Great. So, listeners, today our topic is the past.
Yes, the past means things that already happened. Yesterday, last week, or even 1 hour ago.
Exactly. We use special words when we talk about the past.
That's right. Let's learn together. First, we need was and were.
Yes. For now, in the present, we say, I am happy today.
But yesterday, I say, I was happy yesterday.
Good. Am becomes was.
Also, is becomes was.
Example, today the weather is sunny. Yesterday the weather was cloudy.
Perfect. And are becomes were.
So, we are in the studio now. We were in the park yesterday.
Yes, simple change.
Now, Maya, where were you last night?
I was at home. I watched TV.
Nice. I was at my friend's house. We were very happy.
Oh, fun. Now let's talk about action verbs. Many verbs take ed in the past.
For example, walk becomes walked.
Yes, today I walk to school. Yesterday I walked to school.
Easy. Another one. Play becomes played.
I play football on Sundays. Last Sunday I played football with my cousin.
Good example.
Let's try a small story. Yesterday morning, I cleaned my room. Then I cooked breakfast. After that, I listened to music.
Wow, many ed verbs. Cleaned, cooked, listened.
Yes, it's simple when we just add ed.
My turn. Yesterday evening, I watched a movie. I laughed a lot. Then I talked to my brother.
Nice story, Leo. Watched, laughed, talked. All ed verbs. But some verbs are special. They are irregular. They don't use ed.
Yes, they change completely.
For example, go becomes went.
Today, I go to the shop. Yesterday, I went to the shop.
Perfect. Another one. Eat becomes ate.
This morning, I eat bread. Yesterday, I ate rice.
Great. Drink becomes drank.
I drink tea today. I drank juice yesterday.
Nice. And see becomes saw.
Today, I see a bird. Yesterday, I saw a dog.
Let's try to connect them in a story.
Okay. Yesterday, I went to the park. I ate a sandwich. I drank water. I saw my friend.
Excellent! You used 4 irregular verbs. Let's each tell a bigger story about last weekend.
I start. Last Saturday, I went to the city. First, I walked around the shops. I saw a new shirt. I bought the shirt. Then I ate pizza. I drank lemonade. After that, I took a bus home.
Wow, Leo, you used many verbs. went, walked, saw, bought, ate, drank, took. Great job! Now my story. Last Sunday, I visited my grandmother. I was happy. She cooked soup and I ate it. We talked for a long time. Later, we watched TV. I stayed there until evening. Then I went home.
Lovely. You used both regular and irregular verbs.
Now let's practice asking questions.
Good idea. Maya, what did you do yesterday morning?
Yesterday morning, I walked to the cafe. I ordered tea and I read a book.
Nice. And where were you yesterday afternoon?
I was at the supermarket. I bought apples. My turn. Leo, what did you do last night?
Last night, I cooked dinner. I ate chicken and rice. Then I listened to music.
Great! And where were you last weekend?
I was at the park with my family. We were very happy.
Let's learn some more irregular verbs.
Sure. Take, took. Yesterday, I took a photo.
Good. Have, had. Yesterday, I had a busy day.
Nice. Buy, bought. Yesterday, I bought bread.
Come, came. My friend came to my house yesterday.
Read, read. The spelling is the same, but the sound is different. Yesterday, I read a story.
Yes, that one is tricky.
Let's review quickly.
Am and is become was.
Are becomes were.
Many action verbs take ed. Walk becomes walked.
Some verbs are irregular. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Drink becomes drank. See becomes saw. Have becomes had. Buy becomes bought. Come becomes came. And take becomes took.
And don't forget, making mistakes is okay. Practice is the key.
Let's make a little day story together.
Okay. Yesterday, I woke up early.
Then I ate breakfast.
I went to school.
I studied and played with my friends.
After school, I walked home.
I watched TV.
I had dinner with my family.
And finally, I slept early.
Perfect. That is a full day in the past.
So, friends, now it's your turn. What did you do yesterday? Try to say or write a short story.
You can use easy sentences like, I went to the park. I ate ice cream. I was happy.
Yes, simple, clear, and fun.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed talking about the past.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.